Hi all. In previous videos, we discussed about definition of sets, different types of sets, and operation of sets. In this video, we discussed about important problems in sets. Here is the first question. Write the following sets in roster form. In previous video, we discussed about a roster form and set builder form of sets. So please watch that video first. Here the question is, A be the set for x such that x is an integer and the value of x is greater than or equal to -3 and less than 7. So we need to write the integers which is greater than or equal to -3 and less than 7. So the integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 6. We cannot write 7. Why? Because here x is less than 7, not equal to 7. Next question. Set for x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So what are the natural numbers less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B in roster form is the set consists of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is the set for x such that x is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So what are the two-digit natural numbers whose sum gives 8? Here 17, 1 plus 7, 8. 26, 2 plus 6. 35, 3 plus 5, 44. 53, 62, 71, 80. The sum of these two digits gives 8. So, C in roster form is the set consists of these numbers. Next, D is the set consists of set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So, what are the prime divisors of 660? When we do the prime factorization, we get the numbers as 2, 3, 5. So, D is the set consists of the numbers 2, 3, 5. Next, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So, in this word, O is repeated, T is repeated. So, we need to eliminate that. So, E consists of the numbers TRI, GO, N, M, E, Y. R is also repeating. So, we need to write R once, T once, O once, like that. So, E is the set consists of these letters. The second question is, write the following sets in the set builder form. First question, the set consists of the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the common feature of these numbers? All are multiples of 3. So, we can write it in set builder form like this. Set for x such that x equal to 3 and n is a natural number and the value of n lies between 1 and 4 because 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Second, the set consists of the numbers 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What are the common feature of these numbers? 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. So, when we write in set builder form, we can write like this. Set for x such that x equal to 2 raised to n. N is a natural number and the value of n lies between 1 and 5. That is 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 5 32. The Next question is set of all set consists of the numbers 5, 25, 125, 625. So when we write in set builder form, it is like this. Set of all x such that x equal to 5 raised to n. N is a natural number and the value of n lies between 1 and 4 because 5 raised to 1 is 5, 5 raised to 2 is 25, 5 raised to 3 is 125, 5 raised to 4 is 625. So this is the set consists of 5 raised to n where the value of n lies between 1 and 4. Here, this is an infinite set. The set consists of the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So what is the common feature of these numbers? All are even integers. So the set builder form of this set is set for x such that x is an even natural number. Next, 1, 4, 9, etc. 100. What are the common feature of these points? 1 square, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, like 10 square is 100. So, we can write in set builder form like this. Set for x such that x equal to n square. N is a natural number and the value of n can be 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10. So, n lies between 1 and 10. The third question is the set x, y and z are given. We need to find x minus y union y minus x. To find this value, this set, first we need to find x minus y, then we need to find y minus x, then we need to find the union of that two sets. So first, x minus y is every point in x, but we cannot write the elements which are present in y. So 2, 4 we cannot write, 5, 6. So x minus y consists of 2, 5, 6. Now y minus x, we need to write every element in y, but we cannot write elements which are present in x. 3, 4 is present in x, 7, 8. So y minus x consists of the numbers 3, 7, 8. That is y minus x is the set consists of the numbers 3, 7, 8. So we get x minus y and y minus x. Now we need to find the union of x minus y and y minus x. That is, we need to write all the elements in x minus y and elements in y minus x. So x minus y union y minus x equal to the set consists of the numbers 2, 5, 6, 3, 7, 8. Next question, x minus y intersection y minus x. Here, x minus y and y minus x we already calculated. Now, what are the common elements in x minus y and y minus x? Is there exist any common element? No. So, x minus y intersection y minus x is an empty set because there exists no common element. Next, we need to calculate y minus z union z minus y. Y minus z. We need to write every element in y, but we cannot write the elements which are present in z. So, y minus z is 3, 4. We cannot write 7, 8. Why? Because 7, 8 is present in z. So, y minus z is 3, 4. Now, z minus y. Set of all elements in z. We cannot write elements which are present in y. So, z minus y is 5, 6. So, we get y minus z and z minus y. Now, we need to take the union of y minus z and z minus y. So, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, z minus y. Y minus z union z minus y is the set consists of the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you know how to find the difference of sets, union and intersection. Here is the next question. There exists a universal set U consists of the natural numbers between 1 and 6, a subset of U A subset of U B. Now we need to find A union B, A complement, B complement, A complement intersection, B complement. After that, we need to prove that A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. First, we find A union B. A union B is consists of the numbers from A and B. So 2, 3, 3 is already written. So 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So A union B consists of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A complement. A complement consists of every elements in U, but we cannot write the elements which are present in A. So what are the elements present in A? 2, 3. So we cannot write 2, 3. What are the remaining elements? 1, 4, 5, 6. So A complement consists of 1, 4, 5, 6. Now B complement. So B consists of 3, 4, 5. We cannot write 3, 4, 5. So what are the remaining elements? 1, 2, 6. So B complement consists of 1, 2, 6. Now what we need to find? A complement intersection, B complement. So what are the common elements in A complement and B complement? 1, 6. 1, 6 is present in A complement and 1, 6 is present in B complement. So A complement intersection B complement is the set consists of the numbers 1, 6. Now we need to prove that A union B the whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement with these sets. So we have A union B. We need to find A union B complement. A union B consists of 2, 3, 4, 5. So A union B complement consists of 2, 3, 4, 5 is already in A union B. So the remaining numbers 1, 6. So A union B complement consists of the numbers 1, 6. We calculated A complement intersection B complement and we got like this. The set consists of 1, 6. Is these two sets are same? Yes. So A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Here is another question. Read the question and try to do yourself. U is given, A is given, B is given, C is given. You need to find A complement union B intersection C complement. So to find A complement union B intersection C complement, we need to find A complement, we need to find C complement. After that, we need to find B intersection C complement. Then we need to find the union. Here A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7. You know why. C complement is 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6 because 1, 2, 4, 7 is present in U. So B is given. So we find A complement and C complement. Now we need to find B intersection C complement. So B intersection C complement is 3, 5 because 3 and 5 are common elements. Now A complement union B intersection C complement 1, 3, 5, 7. Because 3, 5 is already be written. So A complement union B intersection C complement is the set consists of the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. Now we need to find B minus A union A minus C. B is given, A is given and C is given. First we find B minus A. B minus A is 3, 5. A minus C. A minus C. 6 because 2, 4 is present in 6. So the remaining is 6. Now we need to find the union. That is, we need to write every element in B minus A and every element in A minus C. So B minus A union A minus C is, the set consists of the numbers 3, 5, 6. Thank you all.